Hi friends, let's help Elmo make an alphabet soup. It looks like the alphabets are disappearing. Let's put the letter A in our alphabet soup. A, alligator. Here is the letter B. B makes a b sound. B, bus. Here is the letter C. Car. Here is the letter D. Dump truck. Here is the letter E. Eggs. Here is the letter F. Fish. Here is letter G. Gorilla. Here is the letter H. House. Here is the letter I. Ice cream. Here is the letter J. Jellyfish. Here is the letter K. Koala. Here is the letter L. Lemons. Here is the letter M. Monkey. Here is the letter N. Nest. And here is the letter O. Octopus. Here is the letter P. Parrot. And here is the letter Q. Queen bee. There she is. Here is the letter R. Rain. Here is letter S. Snake. And here is letter T. Tambourine. This is the letter U. umbrella. Here is the letter V. Vase. Here is the letter W. Watermelon. Here is the letter X. Fox. Here is the letter Y. Yellow. And here is the letter Z. Zebra. Well done! We have finished putting all the alphabets in our alphabet soup. Let's give it a good mix. Look at those beautiful alphabets. Look at those beautiful colors. Here is a spoon for you. And here is a spoon for Elmo. Thank you for watching. Bye.